लोग क्या कहेंगे? In the Indian world, because I've lived in the Western world, and in the Indian world, I think people are hypocrites. Maybe 10 years ago, lunching and bitching and not thinking what I was saying about and being judgmental about people, and yeah, maybe going through some kind of jealousy that, oh, I don't have this and I don't have that.
जब तुम घर आती हो, do you want company? Are you okay and love the fact of being alone at home? Do you enjoy your company or do you yearn for company?
No, see, I've been brought up in a very big joint family all my life. And even in London, I lived with a lot of people and, kids, lots of kids. It's like a team.
और तुम खुद बच्ची बन जाती हो?
मैं खुद ही बच्ची अभी भी हूँ,
आई सदके जावा.
So, basically, coming to Bombay is the first time I lived alone in my whole life. So otherwise, दादी परदादी मतलब सब हमारे घर में रहते हैं, सब साथ में रहते हैं, चाचा चाची बच्चे सारे, मतलब it's like a big happy family. It was very difficult being alone initially. Then I kind of got used to it, and now I would say my family is my people who work with me. My managers and my assistant and my my cleaner. I mean, they're all my family.
मैं भी तो हूँ तुम्हारी family.
बस that's it. अब you're moving in also outside ना, इतनी बड़ी balcony है.
आउटसाइड बालकनी में इतना बड़ा घर रखा है, बेशरम मुझे बालकनी में रख रही हो, इतनी कंजूस यार. यू डोंट ट्रस्ट मी, दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम.
नो, लोग क्या
ट्रस्ट
कहेंगे? लोग क्या कहेंगे?
अच्छा, पर तुम बताओ, ये लोग क्या कहेंगे वाले बात पर
अभी बात कर रहे थे इस बारे में.
हाँ, तुम्हें भी क्या होता है ऐसे कि लोग कैसे परसीव करेंगे? ओके, लाइक यू आर अ सिंगल मदर, व्हिच इज कमेंडेबल एंड वेरी इंस्पायरिंग. तो तुम्हारे थॉट्स में आता है कि जजमेंटल होते हैं लोग, यू डोंट केयर अ डैम, और डज इट इंस्पायर यू टू वर्क हार्डर एंड break traditional norms?
Shall I be proper and honest?
No, just be honest. Don't be proper.
I think in the Indian world, because I've lived in the Western world, and in the Indian world, I think people are hypocrites because, for a single girl especially, it's like a taboo. I mean, we're living in a modern day and age. If you're single and you're successful, कुछ तो गलत काम कर रही होगी. अब गलत का मतलब नहीं मुझे पता. Everybody has a different definition. If you're a single mother and you're talking to a guy who's married, oh gosh, she's chatting up my husband. What does she want? I mean, I hear all different things. If I'm dressed well with a nice handbag, oh, she has a sugar daddy. So I just feel that at every level, आप कुछ भी करो, people will talk. So like one of my best friends, childhood best friends, he said to me, he said, oh darling, यहाँ तो सीता भी बदनाम हुई थी. So
very true actually.
It's true. You could be a Sita, you could be doing all everything you could be doing right, but people will always judge you. In fact, to be honest, I mean, to all the new boys that I've ever met, they and if I've ever liked anybody and they've come and asked me, oh, but why do we hear this about you, or why do we hear that about you? I'm like, shoot, I mean, really? So people are very judgmental, and they will always be. But at the end of the day, spiritually, you go home and you sleep with yourself. You live with yourself. You come alone, you go alone. So it doesn't matter what anybody has to say. You should be happy within yourself, which is a very big statement to make. I'm preaching it. I'm preaching all this, but to be honest, I think I'm very proud that I've come to a stage where I practice it and I'm very confident about it.
क्या बात है, क्या फिलॉसफी है. इसी बात पर एक गाना मेरे व्यूअर्स और लिसनर्स को दे दो बाबा, which is लव लेटर, द लेजेंड ऑफ माइकल मिश्रा विदाउट द एच.
आप मेरे लिए गाओगे लव लेटर? आई एम सो एक्साइटेड. आई डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट कि ये मैंने सोचा था कि चलो स्मॉल बजट मूवी है, शायद इतना प्रमोशन नहीं होगा, ये नहीं होगा, व्हाटएवर. बट ये गाना तो इन वन डे वी हैड ओवर 1 million hits. And how many people are sending me, dub smashes and love letters for the song. It's amazing and I'm very happy. Thank you.
That's because they're sending you all this because they also want to send you love letters, यार.
I don't mind. आज तक मुझे actually कभी किसी ने love letter नहीं लिखा.
झूठ बोल रहे हो? किसी ने नहीं?
कसम से.
क्या बोल रहे हो? हाँ?
Yeah. I think the man who will write me a love letter, that's it.
I'm writing you a love letter right now. Shall I write you a love letter? एक से मैं एक poetry लिखता हूँ, emotional वाला.
अभी
कौन कहता है कि प्यार में लोग पकड़े जाते हैं? वाह बोलो ना. कौन कहता है कि प्यार में लोग पकड़े जाते हैं, वक्त आने पर भाई बहन बन जाते हैं? You understand what I meant? पूरा फ्लॉप था यार, बड़ा टेरिबल.
This is not a love letter, sorry.
Listeners, please यार एक लवर लेटर तो भेज दो यार. Please don't write poetry the way I do as well.
No, to be honest, I've learned Urdu, and I'm being from Lucknow. I am huge on poetry. So if somebody wants to write poetry, please send it to your email, and you know.
तो मैं नुक्ता उक्ता सब आता है ऐसे करके एक नुक्ता वाला बोलो वो वाला
कहीं थूक ना दूँ.
बड़ा टफ होता है.
Yeah, I remember I had a friend of mine from London. His name was Khalid. So he said, it's not Khalid, it's Khalid. Khalid. Oh, yeah. I said, oh, you want me to spit on you or something?
Okay, can I have a few lines of love letter, please?
हो मेरी नींदें हैं फरार मेरे संग मेरे यार तूने की जो मेरे साथ शरारत वे. Come on, sing with me.
शरारत वे
अखियों ने लिखे लव लेटर वे सिद्धार्थ तू चांद से बेटर वे सजना वे.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. कम टू माई ऑफिस टुमारो, आई विल गिव यू अ ब्रेक. तुम्हारा वॉइस बहुत रॉ है यार. Does it work in your favor most of the time? Because there is a set rawness to your voice which segregates you from all the other singers.
You know, I think you've not heard another space of my music, of me, which is now coming out on my YouTube channel.
Wow.
I mean, I have another, because when I was growing up, I used to imitate Alka Yagnik's voice. I used to imitate Kavita Krishnamurthy's voice. I used to sing in that pitch, and I used to sing in that bright voice.
Wow.
You know?
एक लाइन हल्का नहीं करने का ना. Come on यार.
La 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 la.
That was so nice. That was so different from your. ताली बजाओ यार. Come on, आ जाओ भाई हो जाओ.
Properly, but do it properly. This is not nice.
It was really nice. I genuinely thought it was nice.
And then from this, I do a Ela Arun's voice, which is even harsh, more harsh than my normal voice.
जैसे
हो मारे हिवाड़े ने लगाई रे कटार रे मारे हिवाड़े ने लगाई रे कटार रे हो कटार रे मोरिया छोरे भोले रे धरती आसमां मोरिया छोरे भोले रे धरती आसमां.
I really believe, like I also had the preconceived notion, and I have to accept it. I thought you always had a raw voice, which is a powerful voice, but you've shown me so much range. Yeah, this is incredible.
I have to show you the proper range, like another time, which and I'm prepared with it a little bit.
But whatever it was great. आप बहुत humble है. मेरी तरह थोड़ा arrogant बनिए, अपना tom tom करिएगा. It was really really nice. Tell me, you worked with the Meet Brothers, you worked with Amit Trivedi, you worked with Sachin Jigar, you worked with quite a few of them.
Pritam, I worked in Dilwale. We did Tukur Tukur, we did Janam Janam.
Out of all these music directors, who's the one जिसकी तुम्हारी फट जाती है जब तुम जाते हो, oh my god, मैं इसके लिए गा रही हूँ, this music director is going to be very strict, what am I going to do?
They are all amazing, but when I went to Amit Trivedi, I went with this preconceived thing about, that senior and this and that. So I was very scared, and I thought, oh God, I hope I do well, because otherwise I won't get the chance to do the song. And I didn't know that when I was doing Dada Dasse, I thought he's trying my voice and we're just playing with the song. He's creating something. And that is it. He has used my raw voice. There is no treatment. There is nothing. जो मैं वहाँ स्टूडियो में मैंने गाया है वो ही गाना है. I in fact called to find out 2-3 days later. I didn't hear from him. So I just wanted to make sure that, my voice is on the song, or he wants me to come back and sing it again, or whatever. But no, it is, if you hear the song, it's very raw. उसमें मतलब pitching भी नहीं है, echo नहीं है, कुछ नहीं.
जो आजकल से बहुत सारे सिंगर्स के लिए करते हैं, ऑटो ट्यून डाल देते हैं, वगैरह वगैरह डाल देते हैं, वो तो
one thing I have to say that I know people say auto tune this and that, but if you have auto tune, if that's happening, then it will not connect with the audience, because the voice is pitched. It's very difficult to auto tune. You have to be able to sing, and singing playback is not about singing only. It's about expression. You're acting the song. You're becoming a voice of a very big leading actress. You're not playing games here, So गुल्ली डंडा नहीं खेल रहे हैं, गाना गा रहे हैं.
बट रियली ऐसा होता है कि माँ बाप कहते हैं कि यार कनिका आप शादी कर ले, ये सब वापस कर ले, या फाइंड अ सोलमेट, डू दे टेल यू और दे जस्ट लेट यू बी?
No, I think right now my parents, I think they're confused. Sometimes my mom asks me, oh, so you haven't found anyone yet? So I tell her off. I said, yeah, thank you so much. When I should have, when I was 17, used to strangle me and keep me in one room locked. No parties, no this, no boyfriends. I was petrified of my mother. So never had a boyfriend. And now, when I should be concentrating on my career, she's asking me, oh, so you don't have anybody? And I'm like, oh, thanks. So it's funny how parents also work.
Can singers actually be friends? Are you friends with your contemporary singers? Tell me honestly. Don't give me a facade line saying sab dost hain. Is there this whole competition thing, rivalry thing that singers can't be friends? I'm talking about lady singers with each other.
Not at all. I am friends with most of the singers. It's just that I'm a little bit new on the scene, so I have more of a formal relationship with them. I haven't had a chance to kind of break the ice, but I'd love to. I believe in your life, if you could be a singer or any kind of artist, everyone deserves to be happy and successful as much as I do. So why should I feel that usko kyun mil raha hai, mujhe nahi mil raha hai, you know? And I'll get what I deserve. They are getting what they deserve. So they should be, and I pray that everybody is happy in their life. Like
झूठ बोल रहे हो यार, तुमने किसी का उस दिन दूसरी लेडी सिंगर का कुछ माइक वाइक तोड़ दिया था तुमने?
मैंने?
हाँ, तुमने उसका बैग मेकअप का बैंक छीन लिया, चुरा लिया, ऐसा कुछ मैंने सुना.
चुरा लिया? मेरे पास इतना है, मुझे अपना समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कहाँ रखूँ, दूसरे का क्या चुराऊंगी. No, not at all actually. That is one thing I feel from my heart, that feeling jealous it's a suffering in yourself actually. So if you are suffering with jealousy and feeling like that towards anybody, then there is a major problem and you have to work on yourself. And you have to be happy for people. It's very hard to practice it actually.
But very philosophical also. Have instances in your life made you like this?
Yes, I have learned over time. I mean, I have been that girl who was, maybe 10 years ago lunching and bitching and not thinking what I was saying about and being judgmental about people and yeah, maybe going through some kind of jealousy that, oh, I don't have this and I don't have that. I'm sure I have many times.
It's so evident कि तुम अपने दिल से गाती हो, and it's so evident that you breathe what you do. May you always be the way you are, Kanika Kapoor. I love you. और मैं यही कहता हूँ कि तुम हमेशा ऐसे खुश रहना, बिंदास रहना और जो करो खुल के करो यार.
नच्चो सारे जी फाड़ के.
लखनऊ की जय हो.
लखनऊ की जय हो.
It's the Lucknow Connect, man. This is me, Siddharth Kannan, saying hasta la vista, baby, and I will be back. And Kanika, तुम्हारे लिए मैं सिंगल हूँ यार.
हुजूर इस कदर भी ना इतरा के चलिए, खुले आम चल न लहरा के चलिए, हुजूर इस कदर भी ना सिद्धार्थ बन के चलिए.
रब्बा, मैं प्यार में हूँ दोस्तों. Leave me alone with her now. Bye listeners and viewers. I want to be alone with her in this 40 crore house.
It's not a 40 crore house, my God. I'll be raided. What are you doing? Hi guys, this is Kanika Kapoor and you're watching me with the Siddharth Kannan. Madman. He's mad, absolutely crazy, but he's a dear friend of mine, so it's okay. Not my boyfriend yet. Yet
is the keyword.
Watch this space. Lots coming on.
Yeah, subscribe, like, share my channel. Kanika Kapoor is gonna be there. And remember, not yet a boyfriend, but pakka boyfriend banunga baba, pakka.
Keep trying, whatever.